This is Donlyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60. Today I'm going to be making orange peel chicken. This is one of our family's favorites. This recipe is actually a copycat of P.F. Chang's orange peel chicken. So you're going to start with 1.5 pounds chicken breast, oranges for orange peel and orange juice, fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons sriracha sauce, olive oil for cooking, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3/4 cups flour, 1 teaspoon each chili powder and chili sauce, 3 ounces of chicken broth, 1/4 cup brown sugar, tomato sauce, and 2 teaspoons each of Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. I also have green onions here for garnishing, but those are optional. So let's get started. Peel 1/2 orange and cut the peel into thin strips. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. In my opinion, you can never have too much garlic. Set minced garlic and orange peels aside. Combine a cup of tomato sauce, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of brown pepper. Now for our chicken seasoning. We're going to take 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Cut chicken into 1-inch squares. In a separate bowl, combine 3/4 cup flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix chicken cubes with spices. Now add flour mixture to your chicken and coat completely. Heat olive oil over medium heat. Add chicken and cook thoroughly. Remove chicken from heat and set aside. In a separate pan, heat olive oil. We're going to cook our minced garlic and orange peels over medium heat for a minute. Add sauce and bring to a boil for 1 minute. Turn burner down to medium and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Add sauce to chicken and cook for 5 more minutes. Serve over rice and garnish with green onions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me. Lower burner to medium and cook for 5 additional minutes.